Do animals cry? Short answer, yes, but not like we do. Do they have tears? Yes. Cats, dogs, their eyes are wet. Because if the eye dries, vision is damaged. That's lubrication, biology, not emotion. But do they cry from sadness? So far, science says this. Emotional tears have not been clearly demonstrated in any species other than humans. That does not mean there is no emotion. An elephant can stay beside its dead calf for days. A dog can stop eating after losing its owner. Chimpanzees gather silently around a dead member of their group. Maybe no tears run down their faces, but behavior changes. Emotion exists. The expression is different. When humans cry, it's not just water. Stress hormones decrease. Crying is pressure release for the nervous system, like a safety valve on a boiling pot. In animals, that release may look different: shaking, withdrawal, freezing, vocalizing. We release through the eyes. They release through the body. Some animals whimper or make sounds that resemble crying. What does science call that? It's called distress vocalization. A puppy left alone will whine. A lamb separated from its mother will bleat. A baby monkey will scream. The function is simple. Come help me. It's a social alarm system. It resembles crying because the purpose is similar: connection and assistance. But there are no emotional tears. In humans, there are 3 types of tears. Basal tears, keep the eye moist. Reflex tears, like when you cut onions. Emotional tears, triggered by intense feelings. According to current literature, emotional tears are considered uniquely human. Chimpanzees, bonobos, gorillas, our closest relatives, show distress, grief, behavioral change. But sadness-induced tear flow has not been scientifically confirmed. Why might this be human only? 2 main theories. First, social signaling theory. Tears reduce aggression. They increase empathy. They signal, I am not a threat. Second, extended childhood theory. Human infants are highly dependent for a long time. Facial communication is extremely developed. Visible signals increase survival. Some research even suggests that human tears may contain chemical components that reduce testosterone levels in observers. This is still debated, but it's a serious hypothesis. In that sense, tears may function as a biological white flag. What about mythology? Across cultures, animals are described as crying. Elephants are portrayed as wise beings who mourn. The wolf's howl is interpreted as weeping. Dragon tears are said to have healing power. But these are symbols, not biological data. In mystical traditions, it is said that all beings weep. That is metaphor. In ancient philosophy, animals feel pain. But tragic self-awareness belongs to humans. So historically, animal tears are often human emotion projected onto nature. The scientific picture is this: emotion exists. Grief exists. Stress exists. But emotional tear shedding, as far as we know, appears only in humans. Maybe the real question isn't, do animals cry? Maybe the real question is this: are humans the only species that made emotion visible? Animals may feel pain internally. Humans externalize it. But here's a deeper layer. Is what makes us unique the tear itself? Or the awareness that we are crying? And the meaning we assign to it? Perhaps tears are just a small evolutionary detail. The larger phenomenon may be this: the ability to say, I am sad. And maybe crying is not weakness. Maybe it's the reset button of the nervous system.